Welcome to how to create a virtual private network server on your Mikrotik router for remote access using your Android phone. On your Android phone, you set up a VPN connection without a certificate. You use this method to access your local network remotely or access the internet securely. Follow these steps. Mikrotik router. Bridge. Create a new bridge. New. Name. VPN Bridge. OK. VPN Bridge. Next, set up the IP address and subnet on the newly created VPN Bridge. IP addresses. New address 192.168.55.124. Network 192.168.55.0. Address. Network. Interface. VPN Bridge. VPN Bridge. Close. IP. Pool. Set up the IP address range assigned to the client. VPN Pool 1. Addresses 192.168.55.100. 192.168.55.200. OK. VPN Pool 1. 100. 200. Next, set up the firewall to allow access to the local network and internet access via the VPN. IP. Firewall. Filter rules. Input. TCP protocol. Action accept. New. Input. UDP protocol. Destination port 500. 4500. Action accept. 500. 4500. New. Input. Source address 192.168.55.0.24. Action accept. New. Forward. Source address 192.168.55.0.24. Source address. UDP protocol 500. 4500. You create new rules above. Next, you set up NAT. NAT. Source NAT. Output interface. Output port of the router. Ethernet 1. Action. New. Source NAT. Source address 192.168.55.0.24. Action. You set up NAT as above. Next, you set up the virtual private network server. IP, IPsec, mode configs, new, name config 1, address pool, VPN pool 1, 32, manual DNS setup, Google DNS. OK. Config 1. Proposals. Proposals VPN. Check the settings as above. OK. Groups. Name. Group VPN. OK. Policies. General. Template. Group. Group VPN. Source address. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Destination address. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Action. Proposal. Proposal VPN. Profiles. Name. Profile VPN 1. Hash algorithms. Encryption algorithms. You set it up as above. Pairs. Name. Peer Android. Profile. Profile VPN 1. Exchange mode. I2. Enable passive. Identities. Peer Android. Pre-shared key. Secret. Secret key used on the client machine. Policy template group. Group VPN. Remote ID type key ID. Remote ID Peter. Mode configuration. Config 1. Generate policy. Port override. Complete virtual private network server setup. Because the Mikrotik router is behind the Internet Service Provider's router, I forwarded the port. Forward port 4500 UDP protocol. Forward port 500 UDP protocol. Public IP address in the local network. Next, I check the results on an Android phone. Settings. Connections. More connection settings. VPN. 3 dots. Add VPN profile. Name: VPN1. IPv2 IPsec PSK. Server address. Enter the public IP address on the virtual private network server. ID identifier. Parameters set up on Mikrotik. Remote ID. Peter. IPsec pre-shared key. Secret. Use the key set up on Mikrotik. Show. Save. VPN1. Connect. Connected. The above are the steps to create a virtual private network server on the Mikrotik router for remote access on Android phones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check public IP address. Access Mikrotik router via virtual private network. Password. Login.